I just built a bot that copies trades from the best Polymarket traders automatic. And I didn't write a single line of code, get on some sketchy Telegram channel, or spend hours losing money on it, testing it to make sure it was profitable. I have 2 of these bots live right now with a collective of $15,000 in profit for the past 30 days and over 80% win rates. Here's what we're building and that I'm showcasing in this video. The fully AI whale tracking system to find the best Polymarket traders, the back testing system to simulate the profits and losses you will receive before actually running your bot live with your own money, and a fully deployable bot you can monitor without writing a single line of code. Before we get started, I'm going to be giving away 200 USDC to kickstart a trader's journey. To enter, leave a like, comment, and hit the subscribe button, and the winner will be announced in my Telegram channel that I'm going to leave a link to in the description below. Let's get started.
Do you know most traders lose money on Polymarket because they follow the crowd blindly? But what if you could see exactly where the crowd is wrong before you ever place a trade? I am over polymarketscreener.com. This platform strips away the noise by layering historical context, live narrative tracking, and advanced desk models right on top of live Polymarket prices. It doesn't just show you the odds, it builds your edge. With 4 powerful layers, including advanced data analytics, AI-powered narrative scanning, and insider whale behavior tracking, you can spot hidden liquidity traps and massive price discrepancies instantly. Here's the most current hyped markets running from history to flow and execution. I'm not exaggerating about this platform. To be honest, I am using this tool personally and it already made me $500,000. Now, look here, it's showing current featured suggestions to let it trade on. And yes, you can have access Polymarket.com directly by clicking on it and you'll be redirected. This tool consists layers to be integrated and serves you as a Polymarket screener. On Polymarket.com, you can trade on whatever allows you to directly trade shares that represent the future outcome of real-world events with other users. Here's the current geopolitics trends that are happening recently. You can check it on Polymarket.com. Okay, just leave it for a while, as this is a 4 layers built to improve trader PNL, as it shows the analytics, collaborates with AI Myrofish, tracks the insider behavior quietly. Also an AI researcher bot, which tells you how to trade. The workflow is simple. The desk scans the noise, reprices the real probabilities based on a 5-year event memory, and gives you a clear, actionable signal. It even warns you when a market is too dangerous to touch. Now scroll down and look, here's the Live Desk button. Click on it. Okay, so this requires a node license key generated specifically for you right after you pay for the subscription. Watch the video till end to know exact method from scratch to be millionaire, using only this tool. Now here comes the important part. This tool offers the 3 best economical subscriptions for newbies or professionals. And whoa, you can pay as USDC on Solana network. Look how many licenses are updating live. As the first only charges you $60, have a look at what this offers you in this model. The Pro feature is built in AI predictive intelligence plus signals and serves you more just than a $100. The full feature option serves you everything you need as a Polymarket trader to 100 times your trade with live Telegram push alerts. Okay, without wasting time, let's connect any of the wallet. I'm going for Phantom Wallet. And yeah, it's connected. Now, I'm going to buy the full feature of this tools and paying $200 in USDC. Now clicking up to pay. Look, here's a payment approval pop-up and I am going to pay and clicking confirm. Look, your full plan for this Polymarketscreener.com and the whole screener is now activated successfully. At first, it's showing the top market of geopolitics of the current 2026 FIFA World Cup with the estimate percentage and the market price. The Polymarket price is only 0.1 and suits the best for the trade. If the gap is lower than 15%, then the bot will not execute the trade, but if the bot prediction or suggestion is more than 15%, your high profitable trade will be executed and stops when it seems a chance of loss in the trade. Look, here your bot is analyzing the previous data and backlogs from different market or niches to trade on. Now, moving to the Summary tab. Here, it will show you the recent summary of you trade with analytics. Also, it shows the suggestion or predictions on the top market right now with market price, an estimated percentage in return, and more. Now, heading to the Settings tab, here you can adjust alerts from Telegram signals, or you can enable or disable the topics to watch of crypto markets. Now, I'm just saving the settings. Now pay attention to this process of connecting your Telegram account with our trading bot Signal community. You have to open your Telegram app on your mobile phone. Then, click this button to create a link message. Look, here's your link message generated. Copy this link and open your Telegram on mobile phone. Go and search for Polymarket bot, open it and paste the link here. As you've preset the alert notifications time period, you'll be receiving the signals on Telegram through this Polymarket Screener's bot. Let me tell you one more cool feature of this site. This Polymarket bot tool is optimizing every single day by the professional developer at backend. And obviously more crazy features will be always live every single day. Do try this tool and its bot at least once because it's almost 85% plus accuracy in the predictions of AI trade. Smash that like button if this was all helpful, subscribe for more AI bot trading tools, and don't forget to receive your 260 USDC, and I'll see you on the moon. Peace.